ABM 30 is a portable auto-feed beveler that moves along the edge of the plate without any additional track or rail. The machine produces accurate, high-quality, machined single and double-sided bevels on plates from 8 to 60 mm thick using a high-speed rotary milling head with replaceable inserts. ABM 30 needs no track to travel in both directions, with feed speed up to 2 meters per minute. Adjustable bevel angle between -70 and +70 degrees. Maximum bevel width up to 30 mm. Facing off in both directions. Double side bevels without having to flip the plate. Precise milling head depth adjustment. Maximum plate thickness up to 60 mm. Edge-to-edge working range in both directions. Variable spindle speed to optimize cutting conditions. Precise feed adjustment with feedback controlled overload system. Semi-automatic feed stop at the end of the workpiece. Advanced control panel facilitates proper machine operation and increases work safety. Innovative, robust chip protection solution. Handy chip container. Easy access to the milling head and cutting inserts. Self-propelled machine for consistent bevel geometry from end to end. Control panel indicates current working condition and gives safety and diagnostic information. Milling unit rotation by 140 degrees, enables double-side beveling without need to turn over the plate. Capable of producing bevels up to 30 mm wide. 4-wheel feed drive eliminates a need for guiding track or rail. Infinitely adjustable bevel angle between -70 and +70 degrees.